By heart, Tiger Shroff.
Very, very thankful to Asif ji for having me a small part of this campaign and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. Um, I don't want to pat myself on the back of being the face of this initiative or anything because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very, very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to, make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys, by switching off the lights, saving water, just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree. I think what's amazing is the whole concept of afforestation, where we get to plant complete, full, lush forests rather than just one sapling. I think it's time to do these things in bulk, and it's not just about our country. I think it's about the whole world and our whole planet. So thank you once again for having me on board, sir.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Yeah. Please pass the mic for the picture.
Hi, Tiger.
Hi.
So it's Priyanka here. So I would just want to say, talking on environment, so we can save the pollution and all. So how come cycling is a very good exercise?
Cycling is a very good exercise.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, why
so
not?
you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
टाइगर हाय या
जी सर.
टाइगर पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें?
Awareness तो काफ़ी है, everybody's educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality and actually doing the action of going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर following through with the rules and being responsible. I think why not apply the same thing for our environment?
हाय टाइगर, टाइगर जब हम ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. हम सोसाइटी में अलग तरीके से देखे जाते हैं, जाने जाते हैं, और अक्सर हमने सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा तो बनते हैं बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाते खुद को. तो आप कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर, जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो. आप भी रह रहे पृथ्वी में, वे ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.
So big round of applause for, I think there is two. There's one more. So अब हर जगह झाड़ लगेगा और जब झाड़ लगेगा तो बहुत सारे झाड़ लगेंगे सिर्फ एक झाड़ नहीं लगेगा. This is what the pledge we take today. Tiger being the campaign, the Bamla Foundation, the entire team, the patron of the Bamla Foundation will find the spot and will make sure that we give that spot, the green spot. And Tiger, just to tell you, the Madam Neha Jaktari from National College was the one to look, okay, I'm giving all my place to convert into urban forest, and a lot of the projects we're going to be starting from National College, and obviously many other colleges and universities being part of it. So we already started the campaign. This was an official inauguration which we want to do. From tomorrow onwards, each and every Eco Champs, Bamla Foundation volunteer is going to be working on this, and we will deliver and show Mumbai. We'll get down the temperature. We will create parking canopies of trees in Mumbai. And this media is going to cover that for sure. Now we'd request Tiger Shroff to please say a few words in the association. Just last, thoda sa. Okay, sir.
Once again, thank you everybody for joining us this afternoon. Thank you very much, Asif Bamla ji, for having me here. Very, very privileged and honored. Again, I'm not patting myself on my shoulder. I'm not doing this for my PR. I'm doing this for the environment. And I hope each one of you make a difference, starting with your homes, like I said. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for letting me do this with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiger ji. By the time, sir, you need to give vote of thanks, please. We have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Arvind Sawant ji also. Arvind Sawant ji, this is the right time you came. आप सब चीज से बच गए, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. Just at the photo of Arvind Sawant ji to please come on the dais. Okay.